Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have iPhone, this video is very important for you. In this video, we will see how to create a ringtone and set your mobile phone. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start on mobile screen. So first of all, I will show you which song ringtone I want to create here. So this is my Mac and here I download one song. This is the song I want set this ringtone on my phone. So how to do it? It's very easy. First of all, you need to open here your app store and you need to download GarageBand application in your phone. The application size is little bigger, around 1.5 GB. So you should open this application, and application always open here in the landscape. You should say continue, allow the keyboard, drum, AMP and audio recorder. So we need to select audio recorder here first and allow. Okay, so here the audio recorder is coming. We want to remove this space as well, so you should click here in this line, third option. Now is empty. To download first of all or share one file to your iPhone, so I just simply share via my MacBook. So now first of all I share this file. Song is available on my Mac and I just simply use AirDrop. So AirDrop is come here, I accept here, the file is coming here. I just simply save this file my phone, just simply save here. That's it, my file is saved here. Tarararara. Now we can focus how to create. After we save the file in mobile, I just simply open here once again in GarageBand, and here we need to add here the song we are sharing this song. So first of all we can go back. This is the song I want make this ringtone with this song. Copy this one, again go back into the GarageBand, and here we need to paste here, allow to paste here, and our song is coming here. You should play so perfectly which song you want make the ringtone. The song is coming here. After that you need to decide which portion you want make as a ringtone, which second. Accordingly you should decide. You can create your own ringtone. Always ringtone size is a 30 seconds, not greater than that. My ringtone is perfectly fine. Now I want to export this ringtone, the song as a ringtone. Click here the down arrow and here the my song. The my song is ready, the ringtone is completed. After that you just a long press. You should rename this one and rename TARARARA and say OK. Again here long press, and here the top of the screen three options come. Copy, move and share. You should say share, and boom, here song and ringtone and project. We can select here ringtone, and look at this here, your ringtone, tarararara, export. You should say export. Ringtone export successfully. Use ringtone as a specific contact or all of them. So I say all of them, done. And after that I go back, come back here again the setting, sound, ringtone, and boom, look at this. So this is a ringtone I make and I set like this. This is one of the best and easiest way. No need to use any third-party application. Using the GarageBand and GarageBand introducing itself in Apple. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.